Show you how to make my family's favorite pasta salad, which is perfect because I got a house full of teenagers coming over later, right? So here we go. Let me show you how to do this. This is super quick and super easy. So right here, I have a ton of fresh spinach. You can buy the bags and just use the whole bag, or that's about 4 to 6 cups. I know it sounds like a ton, but it's really gonna lose a lot of its volume when we add all the other ingredients to it. So it'll wilt down to next to nothing, okay? So fresh spinach. And then here I have a 1 pound package of rotini pasta. Now, a lot of people think that the colored pasta has some sort of added nutritional benefit. It doesn't. They use vegetable dyes to turn the pasta the different colors, but there's not enough of it to really make any difference. So use whatever pasta you like best. I have made this 100 times with plain old macaroni. It's fine. So I'm just stirring this up a little bit because the warmth from that pasta will start to break down that spinach. Not a ton yet. Most of that will actually happen in the fridge when we chill this, but it'll start. Oh, I got one overboard. That's pretty good. Right here, and I load this thing up with veggies. I mean, it's more vegetables than it is pasta. That's how we like it. So this is just a yellow bell pepper. You can use whatever color you like. I picked out the yellow one just because look at all the pretty colors. I like how it looks. But if you want red or green or whatever, that's fine. Just 1 stalk of celery. I like a little bit of crunch, but celery can dominate, so not too much. That's 1 carrot, and all I did was I shredded it with the carrot peeler thing. The potato peeler. And then ran my knife through it. So that's it. All of that goes in here. You looked seriously confused, Ricky, when I said the... Didn't know what I was talking about. Alright, that was a couple of very small cucumbers. Use 1 big one, use none, it's up to you. But we like the cucumbers. And a red onion. About 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes. And I just cut them into quarters. That's all I did to those. And they're coming in here too. Now I'm going to chill this for several hours. I like to go up to overnight. You can eat it right away. There's nothing wrong with that. But the vegetables will start to release some of their liquids, and it almost creates its own dressing. I mean, we're going to add a dressing to it, but the vegetables release liquids, and I love the way the flavors come together. So, about 1 cup of feta cheese. Now, I have started seeing, sometimes I go to the big box stores to do a lot of my grocery shopping, and I have started seeing little balls of mozzarella, which are done, I don't know, they're very small. And so if you want to change this up a little bit, if you find those little, there is a technical name for that, and I've gone blank on it, but you can use mozzarella if you want to. Or if you want to use, you can just cut it into cubes, that'd be fine. So here we're just kind of getting everybody coming together a little bit. And then we're going to make a quick dressing. Now my daughter will make this, and she'll use bottled Italian dressing, which is fine, no problem. Not my favorite thing, but it works in a pinch. This is about 3/4 cup of olive oil. And I like about 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. The type of vinegar you use really changes it up too. So we want about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And then here, I have about 1 tablespoon each of dried oregano and dried thyme. And that's coming in here too. So give it a good whisk. I like mixing everything separately before I add it to the pasta salad. It just helps make sure you've got a more even distribution. And then, right over the top. And the acid in the vinegar will also help break down everything. Oh my gosh. Bless you. And I think we're 3 in a row. Ricky has sneezed on every video we've done. I think 3 in a row. Bless you, buddy. Bless your heart. You poor thing. Okay, so this is all there is to this. This is gonna get a good stir, and then we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna chill it. Not sure what time it is now, but it's, you know, middle-ish, early afternoon. And we're gonna serve this tonight. So that'll have a nice long time for all those flavors to come together. And I'm throwing spinach in the floor. Great. All right, so here we go. I don't like to experiment on my kids much anymore. They don't like it much. But this is how I can tell if I've got the seasonings right. Oh yeah. A little bit of acid. I took too big a bite. A little bit of acid, the roundness from the olive oil, those herbs, all those veggies is perfect. So there you go, guys. Fast, easy, fabulous homemade pasta salad.